To test your applications on a physical device, you have to connect your device to your development computer. You can do this with either a wired or a wireless connection. I'm going to focus on how to work with a device that's connected to the computer using a USB cable. If you're working on Windows or Linux, you might need a device driver. To learn about this, go to this webpage at developer.android.com/studio/run/device. You can find information about setting up your device for development, and if you're running a Google device, a Nexus or a Pixel, you can learn how to find the driver through the SDK Manager. If you're using another device from another vendor, you'll find information here, including links to where to get the device driver for your particular Android device. Once you've connected the device, from that point on, working with it is pretty much the same regardless of vendor. To demonstrate these steps, I'm working with a Google Pixel, and I'm projecting the screen to my screen using a product called Reflector 3. The first step is to turn on developer options. Go to your settings, and from there, go to the About Phone section. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and look for Build Number. Now, touch that build number icon 7 times. After you've touched it a few times, you'll start seeing prompts, and then the 7th time you touch it, you'll be told you are now a developer. Go back a step and go to System, and now from here, the steps will change depending on the vendor and the Android version. On Android 10, on a Pixel, I can go to Advanced, and then from there, I'll see Developer Options. If you can't find Developer Options on your phone, try searching for it, or check the vendor's documentation. Now I want to turn on a feature called Stay Awake, and that means that whenever the device is connected to my development computer with a USB cable, it won't turn off. Next, I'll scroll down to the Debugging section, and I'll turn on USB debugging. When prompted, I'll touch OK, and then after a moment, you should see this dialog asking you if you want to give permission for USB debugging. I'll select the option to allow this from this computer at all times, and then touch Allow. And now, my device is set up for debugging. I'll go back to Android Studio, and now up here on the toolbar, I now see My Devices listed. You can see your devices here on the toolbar, but you can also go to the Logcat window, and you should see a device that's currently active. Other devices that are connected may or may not appear, but as soon as you run an application on those devices, they should show up in this menu as well. So now, with both a virtual and a physical device set up, both of which are ready for debugging, I can test my apps on multiple Android devices.